This is one of the
All right, you want to play?
to go in the world.
You want to play fetch?
If you guys want to see the biggest buffet experience that you can have in Las Vegas, then this is truly your episode. So you must stick all the way to the end because this is going to be one crazy epic video. I'm going to have crab,
She brought it. She brought it. Hey, come on, do it again. Come on. Bring it back to daddy. Bring it back to dad. Here.
Subscribe button, as well as the notification bell because of food and travel videos.
Yeah, come on, bring it back. Daddy want to play. Come on.
Do that right now. And I'm going to go into Caesar's Palace.
Come on, Pickles.
It's somewhere
bring it back.
But it's going to be so worth it.
Pickles. Bring it back, Pickles.
When you walk in here, you'll see it is insanely.
Bring it back, Pickles. I want to play. There you go. That's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. Come on. One more time. One more time. One more time. Get it for daddy. Come on.
Square feet, 9 kitchens, 15 chefs, combining Asian, Latin, European, American.
Come on.
Into one mega experience.
Come on, bring it back. Quit playing with it. Quit playing with it. Bring it back. There you go. That's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. Come on. Come on. Come on. One more time. One more time. I know I said it last time. One more time. Come on. You ready? Come on.
So, man, what do we got here starting off?
Look how fast she goes. I mean, golly, she is fast. Come on. Pickles, come on, bring it to daddy. Come on, bring it to daddy. Come on, quit playing with it. Come on, daddy want to play fetch. There you go. There she got it. She brought it. She brought it. Oh, yes, my. Yes. You're a good kitty cat. You're a good kitty cat. You're a good kid. Come on, you want to do it again? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ready?
In the back is one of our favorites. Is the fusion type thing.
Man, she ain't never brought it back this many times. Yes, come on, one more time, Pickles. Come on, I'll give you a good treat. Come on. Come on, where you at?
This is a vegetarian pot sticker made with mushrooms.
There you go. Ah, yes. That's my Pickles. That's crazy. I got a ball. She won't bring the ball, but she'll bring a raggedy old piece of paper. She's crazy. I love this cat. So playful.